float in the bucket.
I don't think I should hold my drink. Can we hold my drink?
Yeah, totally.
But you got to keep the cigarette.
Oh, you have to. Wait. Go to the deep end.
Yeah, deep end. No. Deep end.
Why?
Because you're gonna hurt yourself.
Safety.
God damn it.
You're not light.
I'm sorry, dude.
I'm not light.
You're not light.
Not light?
I'm
No,
not light.
I'm even in widescreen
I'm
mode
in
and
the
it's
middle
not
of
big
light-
enough.
I'm in the middle of
I
light
can't
and
even
heavy.
fit you on this screen either.
I'm in the middle of light and heavy. Hold it. You gotta hold that too.
Okay, let's go.
Where's your cigarette?
My sunglasses.
Try to get in it now.
Oh, right there, Larry.
Oh, I found it.
Try
go
to
down.
get in it now.
I got water in my nose.
Yeah, I
Wait,
get
try to get in it
On the other side. What happened?
Try to get in it on the side.
Oh, let me try again.
Yeah, you need to try again.
Why would it do that? to me?
Maybe from the step. Like try from the step.
Try it from the step.
No, this step, right here.
Why don't I just put on my butt and sit in there?
Whatever you think will work better.
That's an idea.
Better work.
Oh my god.
No. I think the best idea is like you stand on the step and then you step into it.
Right there, man.
Did someone get him?
Yeah, I'll get him later.
I don't understand why.
No, bring it back. Zion, direct him. Guide him over here.
Heavy.
He needs to step into it.
Take the water out.
I'm swimming. It's not going. Oh yeah, it is.
Look pretty good, man.
You motherfuckers are missing some great shit.
Zion,
No, he's trying to ride the bucket like a boat.
I should just. There's got to be another way.
You know that song, I'm on Mother, you know that one? This one
Now,
right
empty it out, Zion. You're his first mate.
I gotta get it. Okay, give me
here. You
it.
can do it, Lance.
I can do it.
No, a slow step into it. Not your butt. No, you gotta step into it.
Oh, good. That's different.
Slow.
I don't understand. I gotta get up here. Oh yeah. Okay.
Whatever you think's
If I
best.
hit my fucking head on my face. It's not gonna work. I can jump in, dude.
There you go. That's probably a good idea.
Where'd it go? I found it.
Oh, we got it all. Oh my gosh.
Here, do you want your drink?
Yeah, Zion.
Yeah, please.
Here, drink more.
I am trying.
Hey, come on, Lance. You know what?
Lance, you're dehydrated. You gotta keep drinking.
I think the bucket's just not gonna hold you, big man.
Why not?
Now, the way this
Stop videotaping me, asshole.
What's your favorite part right now?
That I'm so super cool.
You are pretty cool. You look very thin in the pool.
I jumped in a bucket.
You did. I love it.
Look at it.